Hey everybody, I think this is day 34 for me. Had a beautiful sunrise this morning. I was able to catch a good picture of that. And have just a 10-mile hike today. And today is the day. It's my last section in the Smokies. So kind of excited about that. It's a milestone. Looking forward to meeting that. It's a beautiful day. Got a little cool last night. But today the sun is out and it looks like it's going to be a great day for hiking. Okay, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey everybody, I'm a few miles in the hike today and just coming off the last peak coming out of the Smokies, going down to Davenport Gap, and you know, the views are just incredible. I guess these will be some of the last views I see coming off the last top. So I'm going to take it slow and just stop and enjoy as much as I can today. And wow, it's just beautiful. It's a great day to end the Smokies. Hey everybody, this one's for you, Huggy. Do you guys remember The Price is Right? Like in the 80s with Bob Barker, and they had this one game where you would guess the price, and this yodeling mountaineer would go up the mountain and down the mountain, and that's literally all I can think about right now. There I am, little yodeling mountaineer. Thanks, Huggy. That's all I'm thinking about right now. See you guys later. I believe that's trillium, and the flowers are really starting to pick up. They're beautiful. Wow, these are so beautiful. Hey everybody, I am officially out of the Smokies. Here's my little box. I have the second half of my permit. All I need to do is put that in the box and step over the line, and I'm out of the Smokies. And I don't really know how I feel about that right now. I know I feel really happy, but it's almost bittersweet. I think I need to process a little bit what the Smokies meant to me. The trail itself was really nice, but the weather was just like bipolar. I got to think about it, but for right now, whoo, I'm out of the Smokies, and it's another section check and done. And just gonna put my permit in and step over the line. So I'll catch you guys at Davenport Gap. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, I just popped out at Davenport Gap, officially out of the Smokies, and looking at this sign, Springer Mountain, 239 miles. Wow. Look down below, Mount Katahdin, 1,953 miles to go. Wow. All right, stepping out. I'll catch you guys later. Hi.
Look who it is. It's Grandma. Who is that?
It's Grandma Crosby. I like my grandma, but you look like my grandma. I need you so much, and good boy. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, I'm a good boy. I need you so much.